Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel Smart Index Edge. I'm Nalnakshi Swami here, coming up with the Nifty levels for Monday. Monday is a very important day. That is a budget day. So, based on the India weeks, I've calculated the levels. India weeks reduced to 13.86 from the previous day. So, the levels are for the daily high 21,197. Note down this one. And daily high to be 21,507. And weekly ranges to be, weekly low to be 20,942. And weekly high to be 21,762. On the previous day, we had let me go back to the 15 minutes chart. We had got the levels as 21,629 on the upper side and daily low to be 21,249. You can see over here the market came down to that level, exactly to that level, 247, and could not go below that. It did not go below that. It held this low and traded in a range for a very long time from 11:45 to till 3 p.m. Later, while closing, there was an explosive move like this, which happened around 11. So it finally went up to the level of 21,403 and closed around. So tomorrow is a holiday because of the Republic Day. So on Monday, I've got these levels. Actually, Nifty has formed a inside day. If you see on the daily chart, the candle looks like this. So it is an inside bar. So we need to see whether this momentum will continue to the upside, crossing above 21,507, or whether it is going to drop down to weekly low of 20,942 or low of 21,197, where it can get a liquidity. So if it comes down like this and goes up, there will be lot of momentum. We have to see how it works. So let me explain you I'm on the 15 minutes time frame. I'm explaining the intraday trade, how you could have taken the intraday. So I'm applying my indicator, William Wicks fixed bottoms and tops. Okay. And together with that, I'm applying RSI, relative strength. In the combination of the two, I'm going to work out. See, if you see the reading on the Wicks fix, that was 0.03. I'll change it to top. Wicks fix to the top. Okay. So the reading was here on 25th. It was like this. In the first candle, it started declining. Okay. If you go for the bottom, reverse it, you will get very low reading. See, very low reading, which will trigger volatility in the market. So same thing happened for the first 15-minute candle. You can see it showed a weakness, and it It crossed the low of previous 3 candles. So that is a weakness. When you see such type of price action, you need to wait for the confirmation. So what I'll do is, I'll take for the targets, I'll take the flip tool and I apply like this. My targets will be 21,247, 1.618 and 2.618 level of the flip tool. So I expect this level, around this level, I expect the reversal too. So if this was confirmed actually. In the first candle itself, the Nifty is going to go down, it was confirmed. So I took 21,600 PA and it gave a very good return. After that, here, see, exactly around this level at 11 p.m., let me change the VIX fix to confirmation. Settings to highs, not lows. There you can see this is giving range high percentage. So low 0.14, the range that was 0.10. So when you see that reading, you need to cover your shorts and take. So I switched off and shifted to the 21,300 call option and I took it. So like that, you can trade very easily. Apart from that, immediately you should not take, when you see this candle, VIX fix reading, you are seeing relative strength index is also crossing below the moving average, showing weakness. So later, it tried to, in this pullback, it tried to go up to the moving average, it could not. So there was continuous slow sell-off. After that, in the final hours, you can see that there was a volatility spurt. You can see the green one. So it has gone up. Probably it has closed like this. Probably there may be continuation of upward movement on the Monday morning. We can see like that. That is the expectation. And even the RSI is showing above, reading is 58.95. Above 50, it is showing. So like this, one can take the intraday trade. You can decide to take intraday trade using VIX fix. First thing is, I see for candlestick formation. I see this weakness. See, this is the low, and this low, as all these lows have been violated. When all these lows are violated, definitely shift in the market sentiment. Next, I see for the VIX fix. If I change it, I'm seeing a very range low percentile. It gave the reading of 0.15, which was very low. So I expected this. So immediately after seeing this, I took trade after the confirmation. There was a green candle. It's a failure. It is, the high was 21,456 and it opened around 21,438, and this candle tried to make the high of 21,441 and failed to come down. So this will be a very good entry for anybody if you read the candlestick. Apart from that, VIX fix is also helping us to decide the things. I take the help of FIP tool to get the targets for me, and I'll wait. Actually, I got the target as 21,247 and wait for that level. And later, when it comes to that level, I change the setting to highs, not lows. Then I see the low. See, it was coming down and there was a low reading. So once I see the low reading, immediately I covered my whatever was the put buy, and then I shifted my position to call option. So I traded two put option as well as call option. So you need to trade like this. Okay, friends, I believe you have noted down once again, I'm showing you people the levels for Monday, which is a crucial day, that is a budget day. Probably you may expect a volatility, or we'll see what will happen on the budget day. Till the budget speech, it may be around 10 o'clock when it starts. Market may go up and later it may show down movement. There will be a lot of volatility. So once the volatility sets in, you can take the trade. So these are the levels. Please note down on your chart. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing